Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad to have you here. So right now we are just in the forest, in the local forest nearby, collecting and having a look at the young spruce tips right here. Absolutely beautiful, mashallah. These spruce tips are high in vitamins and minerals. They're high in the minerals that are needed to help improve the immune system with all the essential minerals and the essential vitamins. You can literally pick them up during this time of the year in early spring, late spring, and then you can do a couple of things with them. First of all, we picked a couple of these and we're still collecting some of these. First of all, you can dry them and include them with sea salt. Dry them, grind them up and include them with sea salt and make a sea salt spruce tips flavor. Absolutely beautiful, and also increases the mineral content of your food. So just like you have different sorts of sea salt that are flavored with, for example, dried garlic, flavored with rosemary, you can do the same with spruce tips if they grow locally around your area. So you could also juice them. You can include them in your juice along with carrots, along with apples. Another way to use spruce tips is you can freeze them. Freeze them to use throughout winter in different recipes such as soups, such as stews, in your shakes and smoothies, in your drinks. And also you can eat them raw like that. Just include them in the salad along with other things such as lettuce, such as spinach, and then use a lemon olive oil marinade. Absolutely beautiful, and they have a zesty, citrusy kind of aroma and taste to them. So if you have a spruce growing in your area, I highly advise you to give it a try and collect and use in your different recipes. And also, one thing you can also do is spruce syrup. So we'll be including a couple of recipes using the spruce tips to do different sorts of baking and different sorts of raw desserts with them. So stay tuned. I hope you enjoyed the video. Have a lovely day. Take care and all the best. Bye bye. See you in the next video.